والذين هم من عذاب ربهم مشفقون إن عذاب ربهم غير مأمون والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون والذين هم بشهاداتهم قائمون والذين هم على صلاتهم يحافظون أولئك في جنات مكرمون.
And those who are fearful of their Lord's doom, lo, the doom of their Lord is that before which none can feel secure, and those who preserve their chastity, save with their wives and those whom their right hands possess, for thus they are not blameworthy. But whoso seeketh more than that, those are they who are transgressors, and those who keep their pledges and their covenant, and those who stand by their testimony, and those who are attentive at their worship. These will dwell in gardens honored.
فما للذين كفروا قبلك مهطعين عن اليمين وعن الشمال عزين أيطمع كل امرئ منهم أن يدخل جنة نعيم كلا إنا خلقناهم مما يعلمون فلا أقسم برب المشارق والمغارب إنا لقادرون على أن نبدل خيرا منهم وما نحن بمسبوقين.
What aileth those who disbelieve that they keep staring toward thee, O Muhammad, open-eyed, on the right and on the left in groups? Doth every man among them hope to enter the garden of delight? Nay, verily, lo, we created them from what they know. But nay, I swear by the Lord of the rising places and the setting places of the planets that we are verily able to replace them by others better than them, and we are not to be outrun.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون يوم يخرجون من الأجداث سراعا كأنهم إلى نصب يوفضون خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة ذلك اليوم الذي كانوا يوعدون.
So let them chat and play until they meet their day which they are promised. The day when they come forth from the graves in haste as racing to a goal, with eyes aghast, abasement stupefying them, such is the day which they are promised.